I keep meaning to bring you to this grave site in Low Cemetery in Bradford, but I think today is the right moment because it's 110th anniversary of the Low Moor explosion that happened in Bradford, south of Bradford, that occurred on 21st of August 1916. If you're new to this channel, my name is Riaz and I'm just a dude with a camera who likes history and local stories and like to bring those stories to our viewers. Now the grave we're going to look at today is the grave of the 6 firemen that died on that tragic day. And I believe around 100 people were casualties, non-fatal casualties, and 40 odd dead on the day. And from here, it's quite distinctive. You can see the grave itself of the 6 firemen that are buried there, and it's actually on the necropolis side of Low Moor Cemetery. Now I've done an in-depth video of the Low Moor explosion about 5-6 years ago on this channel. It's a deep dive. By all means, check out the link which I'll put in the description and you'll get to know the background to this tragic story. And it's widely known as the biggest or the largest industrial tragic story of its kind in Bradford. And this is the front elevation. Now, like I said, I've been here 5-6 years ago and it's a bit untidy, obviously, you know, over the years things do tend to deteriorate, but it is summer, back end of summer, and there's a bit of greenery there. Now before we enter the graves and pay our respects and read out the names of the 6 firemen, I'd just like to give a big shout out to Low Moor Local History Group, who have really gone to town and done an in-depth research on this incident, because to be honest it's largely forgotten, this tragedy. And thanks to that history group for bringing finer details and even the whereabouts of most of these deceased are buried. So do check out their website. That's the Low Moor Local History Group. And the disaster occurred during World War I at the Low Moor Munitions Company factory, which produced picric acid for manufacturing high explosives. So there was a lot of media ban during the World War for obvious reasons. So let's just take you around the actual site. I must stress, just because we're here at the graveside of the 6 firemen, we mustn't forget the 40 odd people that died, and obviously the mayhem and the effect it had on families. So let's enter. Now I honestly don't know whether they're buried in this area, so with respect I'll just walk across. If you can't read it, it says erected by the Bradford City Council in commemoration of the devotion of duty of the undernamed memories of the Bradford City Fire Brigade, who lost their lives in the explosion caused by the fire at Low Moor Munition Works on the 21st of August 1916. Here are the names. Station Officer Charles Sugden, Fireman Knighton Pidmore, Fireman Fred Normington, Fireman Ellie Buckley, Fireman Edgar Shaw, Fireman Joseph Edmund Binns. A moment to contemplate on this anniversary, 110th anniversary. We thank all servicemen, firemen and the police with utmost respect for protecting our communities. So there you go, folks. Just a quick simple video. Although I don't like coming back to any of the stories I've covered previously, but this is important story, 110th anniversary of the Low Moor explosion. There was actually a dedicated monument to the fallen firemen, which was originally unveiled in 1924. And due to vandalism, the memorial statue was moved and restored at the West Yorkshire Fire and Rescue Service headquarters at Berkinshaw. If you like this video, please subscribe if you've not already done so. I shall see you on the next vlog.